news report that appears on lankacnews.com website, where the Chinese government, according to this news report on lankacnews.com website, Chinese government has informed the Sri Lanka government that they do not accept an American to be the minister under whom the Colombo Port City would be listed, referring to Mr. Basil Rajapaksa. But then Mr. Basil Rajapaksa has proved through his conduct in the past that he is committed to Sri Lanka. He practically showed that he always stand by Sri Lanka, even though he's a dual citizen of America. But so on the other hand, the assigning of the ministerships is sole discretion of the president of Sri Lanka under the constitutional law of Sri Lanka. And also the China had helped Sri Lanka throughout our 2,500 year history, because there were great explorers who visited Sri Lanka from China throughout the history. So while we recognizing that, China and Sri Lanka's relationships are based on the fact that China would support Sri Lanka, and while we want China to help Sri Lanka and not to interfere in our constitutional right of our leaders to engage as a non-aligned country in carrying out our country's international relations. Because here Mr. Basil Rajapaksa, even though he's an American Sri Lankan, he's committed to Sri Lanka, so China also committed to help Sri Lanka. Then in that case, I think China must not take up this issue, because it reflects like a certain type of a unwanted intrusion when China comments like this, because Mr. Basil Rajapaksa has proved that he's a Sri Lankan after all, that who helped our country. So I think China must rather continue to help Sri Lanka to develop more port cities, as I have suggested in Matara, Batikulo, Mulavaikal, Mulathu, Kansasanture, Banachilau, and further support our country towards our dream of becoming a high-income developed country soon as possible, at the earliest time duration, since it's Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa's dream to make Sri Lanka a highly developed, high-income country category under World Bank group categorizations.